Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp and go to the settings menu by tapping the three dots in the top right corner for Android or by tapping settings at the bottom for iPhone. Next, tap on privacy. Scroll down and tap on blocked contacts. Here, you'll see a list of all the contacts you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock. Tap on their name and you'll be taken to their contact info page. Now, tap Unblock Contact and confirm your action. That's it. The person is now unblocked and can send you messages and view your status again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.